Hey there, Skillful Squad. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on Skillful Solutions. Today we're diving into the world of freelancing by showing you how to set up and use a Fiverr account right on your phone. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, stick around as we guide you through each step. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Install Fiverr on your device. First thing first, let's get the Fiverr app on your device. If you're using an Android device, head over to the Google Play Store and install Fiverr. For iPhone users, you can find it on the App Store. Easy as pie. Step 2. Run the application. Once you've got Fiverr installed, go ahead and open the app. We're on our way. Step 3. Choose your role. Upon opening the app, you will be prompted to choose your role. Are you a service provider or someone seeking services? Let's move on to the next. Step 4. Specify your service needs. Since we're looking for services, the app will ask you to specify what you're searching for. Take your pick from the available options that best fit your needs. Step 5. Sign up with your preferred account. Now it's time to sign up. You can use your Google, Facebook, or other available accounts for a seamless process. Step 6. Create your account. Fill in your name and create a password for your accounts. It's the key to unlocking your freelancing journey. Step 7. Activate your account. Check your email as Fiverr will send you a verification link to activate your account. Click that link to get rolling. Step 8. Customize your profile. Now that you're in, click on the profile icon at the bottom right to access your account. From here, you can customize settings, add a profile picture, create a detailed description, and more. Congratulations, Skillful Squad! You're now all set up and ready to dive into the world of freelancing on Fiverr, right from your phone. Remember, you can access Fiverr anytime by launching the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Skillful Solutions for more valuable guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep honing these skills.